how many zero ohm jumpers you need. These are jumper links, basically because they've got a single-sided board here. This is one of the interesting things about production engineering here. This is a single-sided PCB, right? It's not a, you know, like, it's all, is it ever like old phenolic base? Doesn't seem to be quite, it's a bit phenolic basey. I don't know, you can decode that if you really want to try and find out the material, but they've gone for a cheaper board, yet look at all of these zero, they're all jumper links that they had to add here. It's insane, right? They've used a whole bloody reel of them just on this board, but they deem that cheaper than buying a double-sided PCB. You think double-sided PCBs are cheap? These days they are, when I was a boy, but single-sided is still cheaper in production. I don't know how many of these speakers they make, but you know, it wouldn't be millions, right? But still, they deemed it cheaper. Look at all, they count them, count them, count them. Look, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Someone's gone to town. I have never seen so many zero ohm jumpers before in my life. Count them. All the ones with 0 on them, they're a jumper link. All the ones with 0, 0, 0, they're a jumper link. What the? All because they wanted to avoid a double-sided PCB, the cost of a double-sided PCB. Unbelievable. Look at how cheap are those resistors. Well, they're not resistors, they're just nothing. It's just plated straight through. Unbelievable. Have you ever seen more zero ohm jumpers than that? That is crazy.